Hey everyone, Selena here. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm talking about the YUKA Mini 500H Robotic Lawnmower available on Amazon. If you're looking for a smart, hassle-free way to keep your small yard pristine, stick around because this little machine has a lot to offer. Let's break down the pros, touch on a couple of cons, and see why this mower might just be your lawn's new best friend. First off, let's talk about what makes the YUKA Mini 500H shine. Setup is a breeze. You're looking at about 10 to 15 minutes to get everything up and running. The box comes with everything you need. The mower, a charging station, an RTK reference station, spare blades, even a screwdriver for assembly. The Mammotion app guides you through connecting to Wi-Fi and mapping your lawn. No perimeter wires needed, thanks to its UltraSense AI Vision and RTK positioning. It creates a virtual map of your yard in just 10 minutes, handling up to 15 mowing zones with customizable schedules. I tested it on my front yard, and it nailed the boundaries, even around flower beds and a tricky gravel path. The AI is seriously impressive. With over 200 object recognition capabilities, it dodges kids' toys, pets, and even low branches without breaking a sweat. It's got high-definition cameras and LED headlights, so it can mow at night without missing a beat. Plus, it's quiet, around 50 to 60 decibels, so you won't annoy the neighbors. The mower handle slopes up to 50%, which is great for uneven lawns, and its IPX6 waterproof rating means it's fine in light rain. The app lets you tweak cutting heights from 2 to 3.5 inches and set no-go zones so your prized rose bushes stay safe. Oh, and the anti-theft GPS tracking? That's peace of mind right there. Another big win is maintenance. 6 replacement blades come included, and swapping them is a cinch. The removable battery is a thoughtful touch. If it ever needs replacing, you're not stuck sending the whole unit in. I also love the optional garage accessory for the charging station. It keeps things protected from sun and rain, which is a nice add-on for longevity. Now, no product's perfect, so let's cover a couple of cons. The RTK station needs a clear view of the sky for optimal signal. If your yard has heavy tree cover or is tucked behind a house, you might get occasional no-signal errors, causing the mower to pause. I had this issue in my shady backyard, but moving the antenna to a more open spot helped. Also, the battery life is about 30 minutes on a single charge, which is fine for small lawns, but might require multiple sessions for the max 0.17 acre coverage. It does recharge automatically though, so it's not a deal breaker. Overall, the YUKA Mini 500H is a fantastic choice for small yards. It's user-friendly, packed with smart tech, and delivers a clean, even cut that makes your lawn look like a golf green. If you want to save time and still have a yard you're proud of, this mower's worth every penny. I'm giving it a big thumbs up. Before you go, grab the YUKA Mini 500H at the best price using the link below. Rick's Review Hub has special promotional pricing you don't want to miss. Also, check out our other videos for reviews on similar robotic mowers and lawn care gadgets. Thanks for watching, folks. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel. See you next time.